Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be showing you guys some certain fixes for any connection problems or sync problems you might have with OneDrive. So let's get right into it. I am using this article on Uniserve since I do not have these problems and I cannot replicate them. So just follow these instructions and you should come across a fix that fits your problem's description. Now, let's get right into it. And what you want to do first, if sync is having a bit of trouble activating, you want to go and reestablish the sync. What you want to do is right click on the OneDrive icon on your taskbar and just click exit. Once you do this, OneDrive will start up again, or you will need to start it up manually, and the sync will be reestablished. Another thing, you can view online by clicking the OneDrive icon and then clicking on view online under more and sign in. Now you also need to check if OneDrive or Microsoft themselves are having online issues by going to the Service Health portal at this link right here. Another thing you can do is check and install Windows updates. This also installs the latest OneDrive update. You can try unlinking OneDrive and run the OneDrive setup again. You do this by going into more settings, accounts tab, and unlink this PC. What you can also do is move the files out of the sync folder, pause the sync folder for 2 hours first, then move the files that are stuck and retry the sync, and if it's complete, move the file back. Another thing, turn off Office upload, which you can do by OneDrive settings, Office tab, and uncheck. Use Office 2016 to sync. You need to make sure you have enough space on your computer as well. You can update, repair, or reinstall Office, which might also cause your problems. You can reset OneDrive by following these instructions here, and that is pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.